Welcome to Idaho. Hey. It is about 6:08 right now, 6:08 a.m. I woke up about 20 minutes ago. It is freezing outside. Tonight was actually the coldest night that I have slept in my car yet. Last night when I parked the car and prepped for sleep and stuff, it says it was 15 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold. That's really cold. And yeah, I got through it. It got really cold in the middle of the night, so every 2-3 hours I would wake up and start the car, put the heater on blast, and then, you know, wait a couple minutes and then I'll be good and then back to sleep. By the way, I know you guys can only see like the moon right now because that's what I'm pointing it at, but my location has a crazy view. I'm still at crater of the moon, like right next to it. I was gonna fly my drone around a little bit before I leave here because we came all the way over here. Even though it's closed, we might as well get something. The volcanic rocky terrains, black sand, and fossilized trees give Crater of the Moon an extremely unique characteristic, unlike any other national park in the United States. With 618 square miles of volcanic wonderland, Crater of the Moon is simply out of this world. So, you know, I was thinking, in the middle of nowhere like this, where am I gonna get breakfast from? And then I remembered, I'm in Idaho, and Idaho is a land of potatoes, and potatoes grows in the ground. So that means the ground will provide. So let's go check it out and see what we can find in the ground. No, oh God. Oh! Look what we have here! Oh my God, I told you the ground provides. Oh, salad chicken strip. My goodness, Idaho, you have everything in the ground. Amazing. Wow, Idaho, I am impressed with your bounty. Nature's so beautiful. Look at it. It's beautiful. Yeah, this is my breakfast. I actually bought this last night and I forgot to eat it, so I kept it outside. It's gonna be one delicious cold, extra cold salad. Uh-oh, we have snowfall. Light, but I'm sure it's gonna pick up because the sky is just dark right now. It's gray, it's covered. Not a single clear spot in sight. Can you guys see that? I wasn't expecting that after all these flat lands. It just stopped and it's a huge cliff. Oh my God. It's like the Grand Canyon just showed up in Idaho. That's crazy. Oh man, I'm excited to see this fall now. This is crazy, oh boy. Show fall. Yes. Oh my God, hold up, let's check this out real quick. Yo, this place is cool. I did not expect anything like this. Holy crap, it's a whole like canyon. It dips down. Idaho, good job. I'm impressed. And the snow too. Oh my God. The fall's right there. Oh my God, it looks so good. Yo, we about to go down there. We about to go down there before this place closes. This place is fantastic. Wow. This is amazing. Huh. Wow. this moment, I flew my drone over the falls and into the canyons. Everything was fine until it wasn't. This is a documentation of how I lost my drone and how I'm getting it back. But in order to do that, I have to climb down this. Wish me luck. Here's my strategy. It is extremely dangerous out here and I definitely should not be doing this, but I don't know, I'm determined. Okay, here we go. So there's a trail down there. You see that? And I need to get like way down, like I'm talking about shoreline down. That's where the drone crashed, on this side over there. That trail is a good sign that I can go all the way down because that's pretty low where it ends all the way over there. But I need to make my way down this massive, massive canyon without dying. And it's extremely dangerous because not only is it steep, it's covered lightly in snow dust. So it's slippery. This is just not a great idea, but I really want my damn drone back. Oh, if I died, just know that I died adventurously, going forth into the world, head first into some rocks. Yeah. Share my footage with the world. Yeah. Okay. So, going down the mountain slowly. I'm grabbing onto any vegetation I can to avoid. Ow, motherfucker, I just got a goddamn paper cut in my wound. How is that even possible? Okay, where to? Here? I don't know. I think this way, down more. I'm keeping my center of mass really low so I don't slip. Slow and steady will definitely win the race here because this is really dangerous. Oh boy, here's another option. This way or this way. They both look pretty steep this time. Okay, I chose the left side. Not bad so far. Oh, let me step on that tree. Let's not break on me now or else I'm gonna tumble down this damn hill. Oh man. Oh, I lost the trail though. Where's the trail? Where's the trail? Where's the trail? Oh goddamn, is this the trail? Damn. Okay, I think I just chose the wrong way. Oh yeah, I chose the wrong way. Trail's over there, right there. You can see it right there. Fuck. Okay. Okay, gotta go back up this way. By the way, I made it from over there. Tippy top. Holy shit. Look at this. My God. Woo! I made it. I made it down. Look at this. Just a hill. Holy crap. I still got more to go, but this is extreme progress considering I was on top of the damn canyon and now I am way down here. Oh my God, I am so close. Right there is the edge of the water. I'm so close. Look at what I'm standing next to. Oh, by the way, like a second ago, some of the ice just fell and scared the hell out of me. Didn't get it on camera though. Holy shit, I fucking made it down. All the way down. Oh my fucking God. This is amazing. Holy shit. And the only injury was that I reopened my hand wound because I scraped this on some rocks. Oh, but that ain't nothing. Now the search begins for the drone. I am next to the fucking water. Holy shit. This is crazy. I'm looking for a white dot. White little thing. These caves are not giving me good feelings because there might be mountain lions or some shit in there. I don't know, but they're not giving me good feelings at all. I don't like that. That is insane that I just fucking came all the way from up there. Look at the view on this bitch. Oh my God. No way. No. Oh fuck. Damn it. Got my hopes up for nothing. that little white thing. I thought that was it. All right, search continues. It was in grass area for sure, but I don't know where exact. Might be over here, might be over there, because the last shot I got was filming the waterfall over there, and then it was flying backward, so I'm pretty sure it's over there. A little update. It's not looking good for the drone. I have been searching for 2 hours, just coming from that way to here. 2 hours. Like literally walking super slow, climbing up and down the slope here, looking. I have no idea how high I was flying when it crashed, so I'm not sure if it's literally up like there, you know, way up there, or is it down here? Hopefully it's like this level, because if it's up there, there's no way, even if I'm down here, it's way too steep and it's gonna be super slippery. There's nothing to, you know, step on, grab on to, or whatever. So yeah, I think this is the limit though, because the shot that I was doing before it crashed was that pretty much pointing at these falls and going backward. So I'm thinking it's over there somewhere. It's over there somewhere, but I don't know. That's the thing, I don't know, so I have to search everywhere. Plus, every time I think, you know, I'm looking for a white block, but there's snow here. There's a little ice, snow, you know, block here. So it's like, it looks like it sometime, and I just don't know. I can't truly tell. I'm too far away, and then I can't get to it anyway, even if I could. So it's like the one that's like low enough that I can get to it. But so far, nothing. It's not looking good, folks. Okay. I've been here since 10. It is now. Phone's dead. Okay. Okay. I know it's late though. Probably about 1 or 2 right now. I'm calling it quits. It's not happening. It's far too much ground to cover. Way too many overgrown, you know, plants and trees and stuff, and hard terrain to get to. And if the drone crashed anywhere, you know, higher than like a slight slope, it's impossible to get to. There's nothing to grab onto. It's slippery. The light coat of snow. Everything is just working against me. Yesterday drone footage is gone, so that means Montana, nothing. Oh man, does that mean Yellowstone's gone too? Yeah, I think so. No, yeah, Yellowstone, Montana, and Idaho, all gone. I didn't find my drone. I didn't find it. But at least I'm not dead from that fucking hiking trip going up and down a steep ass canyon. Ooh. I made it, y'all. I'm fucking Tarzan up in this bitch. Bear Grylls type shit. Whew. Well then. A car accident just happened, like right in front of me. It was a bad one too. A sedan slipped and flipped over on the side of the road. They had a dog with them. It was a guy, a woman, and their dog. And they all were like crawling out when I was running to them. I was a little distance away from them, behind them. And they were in front of me, and I just saw it happen. They swerved, they slipped, and they went on the passenger side, and it just flipped over onto the side of the road. It was nuts. Me and another guy in a truck, older gentleman, we stopped and helped And they were all right. No injuries, thank goodness. But oh my God, look. Oh my God, another guys. Holy crap. Oh my God, another one. Holy, my goodness, what? Are they okay? Oh, I think they slipped. Lost traction. Oh my God. Oh man, the road is bad here. Jeez, either that or people can't drive. It's getting dangerous out here. I better be careful. I better be careful, because I am a long way from home.